Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my January favorites, things that I was completely loving this month, and I just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys are interested in this type of video, give it a thumbs up. It's my first time doing this, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to split this video up into a couple of sections just so that we have some sort of flow here. I'm going to share with you guys some of my makeup favorites, some of my hair favorites, and some of the things that I have just been feeding into my mind. Okay, so the very first section I'm going to just get out the way is hair. I love to find new products for my hair because my hair can be so different and interesting. Like I can have a bomb curly hair day and then the next following week I'll use the same exact products and it's like, no, not on today. No, I don't feel like giving you voluminous, giving you definition. I'm just gonna give you what I'm gonna give you. Really? But the two products that I was kind of going for most this month was the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Featherlight Styling Cream. This with my Curie Dew, putting it on, refreshing my curls. This was amazing. I'm telling you, it gave me such a refresh the next day that I was like, where has this been all of my life? And this wasn't the first month that I tried it. I just was reaching for it most this month. And I was like, I'm just gonna include this in this video. The next product was a mask. So it was the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I tried. Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This mask, I literally put 2 braids in my hair and I left it in and I kind of mistakenly slept in it. Not too sure if that's okay, but it worked out for me because the next day, the way my hair curled, it looked so healthy. And mind you, I have blonde curls, so sometimes my hair can look a little dry, a little a little thirsty. So I love to do a deep treatment, a mask, the bare minimum every single week. It's a must. And not to mention, it smells really good. The next section I'm gonna do is makeup. So I just picked up this little guy from Target. It's the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. It has a little wax and then 2 different tones of brown. And I had been using the gel that comes in the little tube by NYX. It's amazing, but I wanted to try something a little faster. I did feel like I got my brow routine under the time frame that I was doing with the gel. You guys know, I love this Tarte Shape Tape. I know you've seen it on your favorite beauty bloggers YouTube channels and all of that. This is a must. I have dark circles under my eyes, and so I like to treat them and I like to take care of them. But one of the things that I also like to do is try to cover them as much as possible, and that's just my own thing that I like to do. And so this, I feel helps to kind of cover them but doesn't give that gray cast that some concealers do, and the creasing is zero. I barely get creasing with this concealer. And if you are wanting to know, I'm in the color medium. The next beauty item is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I mean, come on, we all need some bronzing, because I'm mainly talking about the bronzer. We all need some bronzing in the wintertime because we're looking a little bit, a little paler, especially someone with my skin tone. We need some help in that department. And so the one I'm talking about is this one right here. I hit pan. I need to get a refill because this is actually the one that you can pop in a new one. So I've been definitely ODing on this palette with the bronzer because the winter months, Michelle Anna, she needs color and she needs help in that department. Another beauty item is the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Need I say more? This palette is everything. It's a Glow Girl's dream palette. If you love a highlight, you love this. I love to use these two put together, and this I like to kind of use in the summertime just to kind of shimmer myself. And I've had this palette for quite a long time and I still haven't hit pan. Glory be to God. I've really been reaching to this because I like to have, along with the bronze look, I like to have the highlighted look, especially in the wintertime, definitely in the summertime, but the wintertime, your girl needs some help. And for those of you who don't know, I am obsessed with using mascara. Mascara is that one thing, no, concealer too, but mascara is one of those favorite go-to beauty items, beauty products that I'm always trying different kinds. I do have my favorites, but I like to try different types of mascaras because a bunch are always coming out. So the one that I bought this month was the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. This is my second one already and I love it. I think this one is black black is black, but I just love to use it. It gives me like that nice, like, people are always like, are those your lashes? Like, what do you use? This is what I've been using this month, and I've gotten like so many compliments on my lashes. That's one of the things. I don't really wear shadow on a daily basis, eyeshadow, but mascara, I will give you lashes all day. Now moving on to body and like skincare items. I have a whole video about this, so I'm not going to say much, but let me tell you something. This spin brush from Vanity Planet changed the game for my skincare. My skin has gotten so much better because when I use makeup wipes at the end of the day after wearing makeup, I end up using this skincare system, and it lifts so much makeup that was already there that I would have slept in. I'm like, I cannot believe this. I remember the very first time that I used it after using a makeup wipe, after wearing makeup all day, and I saw how much makeup it lifted. I was like, it's a winner. So I've been going to the gym every single day this week, which give your girl a clap offering because that is a real thing. And I've been going at 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm so proud of myself, honestly, because I'm not a morning person. I'm really like a night owl, but like God is really shifting some things in this season. And this is one of the things that I just threw in my gym bag, not really knowing if I was gonna really like it. And it's the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. In the morning, your skin tends to wake up like super tired, but I don't want to do a full skincare routine, being that I'm about to sweat and like all that stuff and then take a shower after the gym. So I'm like, I need something to kind of just make my skin look super illuminated, super nice and moisturized, and this did the thing. Now you guys may have noticed this from the unboxing vlog video that I did last week or this week, and so I literally just put it right to the test. I started using it and I love it. The next product is also a Shea Moisture product, and it's just a body wash. It's the Raw Shea Butter Body Wash with frankincense and myrrh. Love the way it smells. I used to use it a couple years back and kind of just started using something else and saw it at Target, picked it up again, loved it all over again. If you don't like the scent of like frankincense and like that type of oil, you probably will not like it, but I like different types of scents, and I feel like as you layer on like your lotions and stuff like that, it kind of works with that. So this body wash has been my go-to for the last like month and a half, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Last but certainly not least, something that I love and I enjoy, which is my devotional time with Father God. I am so intentional about the tools that I use, which I can make a whole nother video on the resources and things that I use in my private time with the Lord. But this month I went ahead, or actually before the year was over, I went ahead to Barnes & Noble's and I grabbed myself a devotional. Now this is very serious for me. I do have another devotional that I kind of put on pause for right now, but I had to pick a devotional that I feel like I can relate to in this season, and this devotional was it. So what am I talking about? I am talking about the Awaken 90-day devotional. It says 90 days with the God who speaks, and this is by Priscilla Shirer. I hope I'm saying her name right. She is such a pivotal mouthpiece right now for the kingdom of God. Like, if you don't know who she is, like, you need to know who she is and listen to her sermons. She is so descriptive, so creative with how she brings the word, because she kind of puts in life circumstances and life issues that she may have gone through and just puts them into her sermon, and it's so relatable, so easy to understand. And so that's how I feel about this devotional. So it's a very short and concise devotional. She puts out a word, she puts out Bible verses, a cute little word, and then she asks questions. So she provokes your thoughts and what you think about this devotional on that day. I don't answer the questions right on the devotional because I just kind of write a little bit more than the space allows, but I like to write the answers in my actual journal so that I kind of can document my journey of this devotional as well. That is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed like the different sections of what my favorite items were for this month. I really couldn't just choose one category. I feel like I wanted to give you guys a well-rounded favorites video, especially for the first one and maybe ongoing. Like, if you guys really like this type of video, let me know in the comment section below below. Also, let me know what was your favorite item this month. I feel like my hair is just poofing up by the second, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.